Thousands of years ago, people first discovered gold shining naturally in riverbeds, completely untouched by human hands. Unlike ordinary stones, gold never rusted or faded, making it one of the most treasured materials in human history. As surface gold became scarce, miners followed rich gold veins deep beneath the Earth's surface. Deep beneath these South American mountains lies one of the world's most valuable treasures, hidden gold deposits waiting. Modern gold mining begins with precision mapping to locate the richest areas beneath the surface. Advanced technology reveals the hidden structure of the Earth before the first machine touches the ground. After locating potential deposits, miners drill deep into the Earth to collect evidence of hidden gold. These rock samples reveal whether valuable gold exists beneath the surface. Portable scanning technology quickly identifies which rocks contain valuable mineral traces. Every sample is carefully prepared to measure the exact amount of gold hidden inside the rock. The high-temperature testing reveals the true gold content hidden inside each sample. Once the gold deposit is confirmed, the mine can begin its massive extraction operation. After years of exploration, the confirmed gold zone is finally ready for large-scale mining. Before gold can be extracted, miners must remove tons of earth covering the valuable ore below. Massive machines move thousands of tons of rock every day to reach the hidden gold deposits. Precision drilling creates pathways to safely break massive rock formations. Carefully planned blasting breaks the rock while keeping the mining operation safe. The controlled explosion transforms solid mountain rock into manageable pieces for extraction. Every piece of broken rock begins its journey toward becoming pure gold. Thousands of tons of gold-bearing rock travel every day from the mine to the processing plant. Before gold can be separated, massive rocks must first be reduced into smaller pieces. The first crushing stage breaks giant rocks into smaller pieces that can be processed further.
Gravity separation uses the natural weight of gold to collect valuable particles from the mineral mixture.
After crushing, the ore travels deeper into the plant, where the hidden gold must be separated from the rock. Inside these giant mills, tons of rock are reduced into tiny particles to expose the valuable minerals. Fine grinding creates a slurry where gold particles can finally be separated from unwanted minerals. Special separation systems sort the particles and prepare the valuable minerals for gold recovery.
Gravity separation uses the natural weight of gold to collect valuable particles from the mineral mixture.
The concentrated material now contains more gold, but further processing is needed to recover it completely. The captured gold is removed from carbon and prepared for conversion into solid metal. Inside these massive tanks, gold is separated from the remaining rock and collected in solution. The dissolved gold is now ready to be transformed back into solid precious metal. Special carbon technology captures tiny gold particles and concentrates them for final recovery. The captured gold is removed from carbon and prepared for conversion into solid metal. Electricity pulls gold from the solution and rebuilds it into solid precious metal. After recovery, the raw gold material is collected and prepared for purification. Before becoming a pure gold bar, the recovered material must go through intense refining. Extreme heat transforms recovered gold into a glowing liquid, ready for purification and casting. The glowing liquid metal is carefully transferred to create solid gold bars. From liquid metal, the first recognizable gold bars are created inside the refinery. These newly formed bars still require strict testing before they can enter the global gold market. Every gold bar must pass strict quality checks before it becomes a globally traded precious asset. Before gold enters international markets, every bar must prove its exact purity level. Advanced scanning technology reveals the exact composition of every gold sample. Traditional testing methods verify the accuracy of modern gold analysis systems. After testing, the gold moves into the final stage that removes even the smallest impurities. Refining technology transforms high-quality gold into nearly pure 99.99% precious metal. During purification, every unwanted element is removed until only valuable gold remains. The result is gold refined to international standards and ready for global trade. Pure gold is finally shaped into the bars used in international trading. Every gold bar receives a final finish before entering the secure global supply chain. Once measured and documented, these gold bars are ready for the world market. Every gold bar receives a unique identity before entering the international market. Digital tracking ensures every gold bar can be verified from mine to market. Before leaving the refinery, every gold bar passes strict security checks. Special packaging protects the valuable gold during its journey across the world. Before export, millions of dollars in gold remain protected inside high-security vaults. After approval, the gold begins its carefully protected journey to global buyers. Special armored transportation protects gold during every step of its journey. From the mine to the global market, every movement is carefully controlled. The final journey begins as refined gold enters the global trading network. The journey from deep underground to international markets is almost complete. Before any international deal is completed, buyers carefully verify every gold bar. Independent testing confirms that the gold matches international quality standards. Complete transparency ensures that every gold bar can be traced from mine to buyer. After verification, the global gold trade moves into the official agreement stage.
The physical gold is matched with a secure digital financial transaction.
Secure banking networks complete the financial side of the global gold trade. Once payment is confirmed, the ownership of the gold officially changes hands. The gold is now officially registered under its new owner. International documentation allows gold to legally travel across borders. After months of processing and verification, the gold begins its final journey. The journey from underground rock to valuable global asset is finally complete. Every gold bar represents a journey through science, engineering, and thousands of hours of work. From a hidden mineral deep underground, gold becomes one of the world's most valuable materials. Behind every gold bar is a combination of technology, precision, and human expertise. From deep beneath the earth to global markets, this is the extraordinary journey of gold.